gosh, guys, my fidget pack just came. I am so excited. Wait a minute, let me open this. Okay, it's open. Oh my gosh. Ah! Ooh, Globble. We got Globbles. 3 rainbow poppets. Wow. Wait a minute, I'm just getting the other thing. Marble mesh. Wow. Ooh. 4 emojis. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I got the lion, I think. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I got acupressure rings, 3 rose gold, 2 silver. Wow, that's really, really cool. Mini monkey noodles. 2 wacky track. Now I can make homemade snappers. Well, not really homemade, but break a chain. Last but not least, a dimple. These are so good. It's not the real brand though, but that's fine. Bye guys, hope you enjoy.